Hello students, welcome to our channel Guruji, and I have been getting requests from different students to upload a video on lead supplementary book about algebra. So here it is, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the like button. So let's get started. Okay, students, so this chapter is about algebra, and before starting with algebra, I want to give you a basic structure about that. So you must be knowing that algebra is a branch of mathematics where we deal with unknown variables and constant, right? So let's say if I write x plus 5 equal to 8, right? So what is happening here? I have used a letter which is the variable, so x would be the variable here, and for a time being, let's forget this equal to sign and 8. So 5 would be the constant. So what happens, students, if we use constant variable and if I write some number, let's say 6 along with x, then it would be the coefficient. So let's say if I write constant variable and a coefficient together along with some arithmetic operator. So students, you must be knowing that there are four arithmetic operators: plus, minus, multiplication and divide. Then it makes an algebraic expression, right? So whenever we deal with any quantity that is not fixed, there comes algebra, right? So let's do some of the questions which are present in your lead supplementary book. So first question is practice question 1. So what is given here, students? It is given that we have to decide whether the given statements are variable and constant, right? So you must be knowing, students, that if you talk about the number of days in a week, then it is a fixed quantity, right? The number of days always remains 7. In that scenario, it would be a constant. Make sure to make a tick under constant column, right? Now if we talk about the temperature of a city, so you must be knowing that temperature of a city changes. You must have seen that if you check the temperature throughout the day, then you will get different values, so it would be a variable. The age of a student, so age of a student is also changing day by day, the age changes, so that is why it is a variable quantity. The distance between two cities, let's say if I'm traveling from Delhi to Mumbai, the number of kilometers will always remain fixed, right? So that would be a constant. The number of meters in a kilometer, students, you must be knowing that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. In that scenario, it is a constant quantity again. The time on our watches, so time always changes, right? It never remains same, so in that scenario it is going to be a variable. So these are the questions for your practice question 1, 1.1.